Ever wondered if there's a natural way to combat inflammation? Inflammation is our body's response to injury, but when it becomes chronic, it's a problem. The good news? There are natural drinks that can help. Let's dive into the world of natural anti-inflammatory drinks. First on our list is green tea. This refreshing brew is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory properties thanks to its rich antioxidant content. Imbibe regularly, and you could see a reduction in inflammation. So a cup of green tea a day might just keep inflammation at bay. Next up, we have turmeric milk. This golden potion is packed with curcumin, a compound in turmeric known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. When paired with milk, it's not just delicious but also super beneficial. Turns out this golden drink is worth its weight in health benefits. Now let's talk about tart cherry juice. Bursting with antioxidants, tart cherries are a natural combatant in the fight against inflammation. Research even shows that this tangy juice can reduce inflammation and ease pain symptoms in athletes. Tart cherry juice, a sour but potent weapon against inflammation. Lastly, we have the Pineapple-Bromelain smoothie. This tropical concoction is powered by bromelain, an enzyme in pineapples renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Blend pineapple with your favorite fruits to create a tasty, health-boosting smoothie. A Pineapple-Bromelain smoothie, a tropical treat for your taste buds and your health. So there you have it, folks. We've explored 4 potent drinks. Green tea, a powerhouse of antioxidants. Turmeric milk, the golden elixir of anti-inflammatory compounds. Tart cherry juice, a tangy treasure trove of anthocyanins. And the Pineapple-Bromelain smoothie, a tropical treat rich in enzymes. These can all play a part in reducing inflammation. However, they are only pieces of the puzzle in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Remember, the path to health is sipped, not gulped. Cheers to your health.